What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we got to go over a few things that is going on inside the crypto market right now. So as you can see, Bitcoin right now down 3% inside the last 24 hours at $38,000. Then we have Ethereum over here up 0.86% or 66%, but still Ethereum's still doing better with Bitcoin inside the gains right now. But everything's kind of moving sideways, but we do have bad news inside the whole crypto space. So that's what we're going over. It's bad and good news because it's bad and good and bad. It's bad that we keep getting all these regulations, but it's good that we kind of won this side of the argument. But anyways, let's read what we got here. So a last minute lobbying push by the cryptocurrency industry to change language in the bipartisan infrastructure bill that was finalized over the weekend succeeded in scaling back some of the scrutiny that participants in the sector will face from the IRS. So the final legislative text included some changes to alleviate concerns of the cryptocurrency industry, which expressed alarm last week about new requirements that would define most of the participants in the sector as brokers enforced them to turn over information to the IRS. The provision was projected to raise $28 billion over a decade. So yeah, they're really trying to get money out of crypto investors right now. They're changing bills and stuff. Like, this is crazy that they're doing this, but let's keep reading. So after receiving pushback from cryptocurrency lobbyists, lawmakers revised that section of the bill to clarify the definition of a broker rather than expand upon it. So the legislation also removed language that explicitly targeted any decentralized exchange or peer-to-peer marketplace. It replaced that with a broader definition that characterizes brokers as anyone responsible for regularly providing any service effectuating transfers of digital assets on behalf of another person. So that's a pretty broad term right there. So the cryptocurrency industry has been adamant with the tougher tax enforcement and should not apply to miners or creators of the digital money, as they call it. So yeah, this isn't going to apply to miners, node operators. None of those people are going to get affected by this. But this is kind of sucks with the crypto thing, that we're getting taxed left and right, and all these different legislations and registrations for us is just crazy. So anyways, the next thing going on with the crypto space is this whole thing right here, which is the $30 billion tax threat that we have coming towards us. So we just gotta prepare for it and move accordingly. So the next thing I want to talk about here is Miami coin. So as everyone knows, Miami is making their own crypto. I already made a video about this previously, but if you didn't know, now you know. So it's going to come out tomorrow. It's not out yet. It will be out on the 3rd of August. So it says right here, the Magic City is looking more like the next Silicon Valley. So the city of Miami will be debuting a cryptocurrency this summer to help raise additional funding for local projects, and that is going to start tomorrow. That's when it finally comes out. So I'll definitely be reporting on Miami coin when it comes out. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. But if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description, and I'll be back with another video.